Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I am so excited to be joining this Trash to Treasure collab. It was an open invite, which is so fun. I love doing these. I have not done one of these in a long time, but this is hosted by Heidi Sunball and Jessica from Measure and Mix, and I am really excited to show you guys what I did with a Trash to Treasure. Heidi and Jessica's channels will be linked in the description box below, along with a playlist of everybody who is joining this fun little collaboration. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys what I did with a Trash to Treasure. So these are the two things I'm going to be giving a little facelift. I got this from Goodwill. It has little pegs on it and it was only $2. This little plant, I actually had this, so I know this really doesn't go with the challenge, but it possibly could have been from a thrift store if I wouldn't have told you, but I'm not going to lie, it was totally mine. Because I'm just going to take the Waverly Wax in Antique and I'm going to be adding some water with it and mixing it together. It makes a really nice stain, so I don't know what you'd call this. It looks like maybe like, not a pegboard, but some sort of like hanging your keys, decor item, something like that. But I'm just going to be staining the whole entire thing, and then I'm just going to add the little pegs to it. I think this would be really cute to hang coats on. I think it is actually super durable because it's a really thick wood, so I think you could actually hang coats with it as well. I'm just going to do a little bit of decorating with it and make it look super, super cute. I grabbed these letters from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to take a ruler and just lay it out so my letters are perfect, and I'm just going to add Farmhouse to this. I did have to actually take all these letters off and move them over a little bit. I didn't show you that, but you guys totally get the picture of it, because when I did the end, the E was kind of hanging over and I did not like the way that looked at all, so I did move them over just like a ½ an inch. Baby, let it come to you. And then next I just took some burlap and I'm just going to make a simple bow, so I'm just folding it in half twice, and then I'm just going to take some twine and tie it down the middle to make it a bow, and then I am just going to hot glue it right to the top. Lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone. And then for the next little makeover, I'm just using the Waverly chalk paint in white, and I'm just going to paint this entire thing white. I only did one coat, and that is why I love this chalk paint so much, because it covers so well. I also picked some of these cotton stems up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be using these later on. I did take some sandpaper so I could distress the edges a little bit, and I love the way that turned out. I thought this looked really plain because it's such a really, really tall vase, so I did just add a little bit of twine to the bottom as well. Baby, you and I should start living now, with the whole world at our feet. We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. And then I'm going to be using the same letters from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to spell out the word home, and I'm just putting them right down the middle because, like I said, this is super long. And then I thought this still looked plain, so I did have some leftover floral from other DIYs, and I'm just going to stick them right to the top. This is the lamb's ear. I got this from Walmart. And then I just used one of these little cotton stems and just cut it off and stuck it right to the center. And this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. I did add some lavender to the top of this, and I got those from Walmart. I think this looks so pretty, and I love the way this one turned out. I like putting it on like my buffet table. It looks so pretty. And then this is the before of my little wall hanger or wall hanging decor, and this is what it looks like after. I absolutely love how it looks after. This is before I hung anything on it, so I just wanted to give you an overview of what it looked like. And I just hung it up in my kitchen, and then I just added a little cotton wreath. I think that came from Hobby Lobby, and that little watering can also came from Hobby Lobby. But if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to check out everybody that's doing this collab. Playlist will be in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.